Oh my gosh, Trish, your makeup is so cute.
I know. It's like Madonna puked on my face.
Gag me with a spoon.
Whoa, ladies, what are you doing?
What you talking about, Willis?
Do you even know what you're putting on your face?
Lipstick, duh.
But do you know what chemicals are in that?
What?
Seeing that this is the 80s. Lipstick and other makeup contains harmful chemicals like parabens, phthalates, triclosan.
OMG, are you even wearing a bra?
Or deodorant? Oh my god, gag me with a spoon.
Deodorant alone contains aluminum chemicals and propylene glycol.
Ew! For real, gag us both with a spoon.
The more you know. So you'll never use harmful chemicals again, right?
You got it, dude.
Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a hand to hold on to.
Have you ever wondered what's in your beauty products today?
Have you ever wondered whether you can find anything safe on the market?
Well, we're here to fill you in on the beauty market today.
And what exactly goes into your makeup?
I'm a chem girl in a science world. You need to know how to calculate the concentration of a solute in terms of grams per liter and molarity.
Hi, we're the Chemistry Gals, and we're here to give you a deeper look into the beauty market today.
Today, we are going to talk about the various aspects of the beauty industry and what exactly goes into one of the most popular beauty products out there, lipstick.
As you saw earlier with Stacy and Trish, beauty products have gone under intense scrutiny over the past 50 years.
Harsher scrutiny over the past years from groups such as PETA, the FDA, and groups with all natural materials in mind has left many consumers taking a closer look at what is actually in their beauty products.
Makeup has been around since the beginning of time. Even people living back in ancient Egypt found ways to add color to their faces with the use of things like berries and spices. We have found multiple ways to make your own chemically safe lipstick, and we'll show you just how to make it and the chemistry behind it later in the show. But more on that later.
First, we are going to dive straight into the hype behind makeup today and its positive and negative effects.
Beauty products, a blessing and a curse?
As said before, makeup can have many negative impacts.
In 1980, it organized the USA's first World Day for Laboratory Animals Protest.
PETA has always been at the forefront.
One of the most infamous groups that is against the makeup industry is PETA.
People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals has shed light on the downside of the mass production of makeup in recent years.
PETA is known in part for bringing down the hammer on companies that use animals for the testing of makeup products.
In fact, PETA even has its own database of companies that do and do not use animals for testing. But can makeup really cause that much harm?
Makeup has been used by people of many cultures, including Sumerians, Egyptians, Syrians, Babylonians, Persians, and Greeks.
And Elizabeth I was known to use red mercuric sulfide to color her lips. This material has been found in recent years to be very toxic and could lead to mercury poisoning. So for many years, people have been putting themselves at risk for beauty. But is all makeup bad for your health?
Ancient Egyptians used kohl, a substance containing lead sulfide, for eyeliner, and Greek women used lead carbonate to whiten their skin.
In a recent lawsuit, Johnson & Johnson was ordered to pay $72 million to Jacqueline Fox's family, who argued that her death from ovarian cancer was linked to the use of baby powder. Talc, the main ingredient found in this product, is very absorbent and helps prevent rashes. However, according to cancer.org, talc-based powder might be carcinogenic to humans, according to a post by SureScroll.com.
And testing of 32 commonly sold lipsticks and lip glosses found they contain lead, cadmium, chromium, aluminum, and 5 other metals, some at potentially toxic levels, according to researchers at the University of California, Berkeley's School of Public Health, says USA Today.
A typical cosmetic product contains anywhere from 15 to 50 chemicals. Considering the average woman uses between 9 and 15 chemicals a day, researchers estimate that with the addition of perfumes, women are using 515 chemicals on their skin every day. Coal tar, a known carcinogen, has been found in many different beauty products, including ones that have FD&C red number 6.
Even 57% of baby washes in the U.S. contain ethoxylated surfactants, a known carcinogen.
Makeup doesn't just have negative effects on your physical health, it can also have a negative effect on your mental and emotional health.
According to the Global Post, young girls who participate in beauty pageants can suffer from many problems.
You are driving me nuts. No, no way. Don't push me. Win money. Dollar makes me holler, honey boo boo.
These problems include emotional problems, altered values, financial strain, and even the feeling of being sexualized. And the world of lipstick is being taken over by who? A child, Kylie Jenner. When Kylie was 17, she started selling her own lip kits.
At the ripe age of 12, Kylie Jenner stepped into the spotlight when her family began starring on the hit reality TV show Keeping Up with the Kardashians.
Since then, the teen has started a makeup empire in just a few short months.
Her lip kits sell for around $30 a piece, with individual lipsticks selling for $18. The teens' kits sell out within 30 minutes of their release, just proving how powerful makeup is to our society.
Perfect. All right. I want you to have fun. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
So makeup isn't all that bad. Makeup helps women to feel beautiful and unique.
The government ensures that poisonous chemicals are not too abundant in cosmetics. Cosmetics must also include a list of ingredients on the packaging so consumers can identify any chemicals they might be allergic to and compare products.
So makeup isn't all that bad. Cosmetics are a very important part of the economy and society because of the global market for skincare and color cosmetics exceeding $53 billion in 2002.
The cosmetics industry was among the first to adapt the new features of nanotechnology through the use of nanoparticles to improve the quality of their products and satisfy the desires of its customers.
Cheaper lipstick has even inspired its own effect, the lipstick effect.
The lipstick effect is a recently spotted sales trend. It shows the purchase of small luxuries by women to fulfill happiness instead of splurging on expensive products.
Before we started our lab, we considered a few questions.
Are cosmetics bad for the environment in any way?
Is it difficult to make cosmetics?
And what are some chemical substances you should and shouldn't put on your skin?
You only need 4 ingredients to make the lipstick that we will be making today.
All you need is beeswax, shea butter, olive oil, and a natural dye for color.
We started by heating 1 teaspoon of beeswax, shea butter, and olive oil together for 30 seconds in the microwave.
There's antimony, arsenic, aluminum, selenium, and hydrogen and oxygen and nitrogen and rhenium, and nickel, neodymium, neptunium, germanium, and iron, americium, ruthenium, uranium, europium, zirconium, lutetium, vanadium, and lanthanum, and osmium, and astatine, and radium, and gold, protactinium, and indium, and gallium, and iodine, and thorium, and thulium, and thallium. There's yttrium, ytterbium, actinium, rubidium, and boron, gadolinium, niobium, iridium, and strontium, and silicon, and silver, and samarium, and bismuth, bromine, lithium, beryllium, and barium. There's holmium and helium and hafnium and erbium and phosphorus and francium and fluorine and terbium and manganese and mercurium, molybdenum, magnesium, dysprosium and scandium and cerium and cesium and lead, praseodymium and platinum, plutonium, palladium, promethium, potassium, polonium and tantalum, technetium, titanium, tellurium and cadmium and
And then you add the dye of your choosing.
The beeswax we are using has a chemical formula of C15H31COO C30H61. And this is the diagram for it right here.
Shea butter has a chemical chain that looks like this.
And olive oil has a formula of CH3CH2COOH, which looks like this one.
And finally, we use carmine red dye, which has a chemical formula of this. Another substance you can also use as a dye is eosin.
And cadmium and calcium and chromium and curium. There's sulfur, californium, and fermium, berkelium, and also mendelevium, einsteinium, nobelium, and argon, krypton, neon, radon, xenon, zinc, and rhodium, and chlorine, carbon, cobalt, copper, tungsten, tin, and sodium.
So our final product is an all-natural healthy lipstick that is easy and affordable to make from home.
We also got the answer to a few of our questions.
There are many government regulations on cosmetics that prevent companies from releasing any harmful chemicals on the market. In this lab, we use very natural ingredients, which shows that makeup can be made with natural, healthy chemicals and substances. Today, more and more companies are using those natural substances.
It isn't difficult to make lipstick, as you can see from this lab. Some might be hard to produce, but most are fairly simple.
From this lab, we learned that putting acidic citrus oils on your face can burn your skin when exposed to the sun. But from our research, we know that sometimes you can find toxic chemicals in cosmetics, but that they are never in abundant amounts that can actually hurt you.
So the next time you decide to purchase a beauty product, make sure that you look into the chemistry behind it.
That's all for now, and we'll see you next time on
Chemistry Gals!